Hello everyone, welcome back to CarOg 765, the channel where we talk about classic cars, forgotten legends, and machines that still make car lovers smile today. If you love old-school American rides, powerful engines, and real automotive history, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a classic car story. Today we are appreciating one of the most iconic American muscle-era cars, the 1972 Chevrolet Nova. Some people casually call it Chevrolet Nova, but real fans know this car as the Nova, a simple-looking machine with a very serious attitude. The 1972 Nova came at a time when the muscle car era was changing, but Chevrolet still knew how to build a car that felt raw, honest, and powerful. The design of the 1972 Chevrolet Nova was clean and aggressive without being flashy. It didn't need fancy lines or extra chrome to prove itself. The boxy body, wide stance, and strong front grille gave it a tough personality. This was a car that looked ready to race even when parked. The Nova was lighter than many other muscle cars of that time, and that lightweight body played a big role in its performance and popularity. Under the hood, the 1972 Nova offered several engine options, and that's where the magic really started. From small inline engines to powerful version 8s, Chevy gave buyers freedom of choice. The most loved versions were definitely the V8-powered Novas, especially the small block 350 engine. Even though 1972 was the year when horsepower ratings changed from gross to net, the Nova still delivered strong performance and a thrilling driving feel. When you pressed the gas, the car responded with a deep American 5/8 sound that still gives goosebumps today. One thing that made the 1972 Chevrolet Nova special was how balanced it felt. It wasn't too big, it wasn't too heavy, and it didn't try to be something it wasn't. It was a straight-up driver's car. On the street or at the drag strip, the Nova proved itself again and again. That's why it became a favorite among racers, modifiers, and muscle car fans. Even today, many Novas are used in drag racing and resto-mod builds because the platform is strong and easy to work on. Inside the 1972 Nova, things were simple and functional. No unnecessary luxury, just a clean dashboard, easy-to-read gauges, and a driver-focused layout. The seats were comfortable enough for daily driving, but firm enough to keep you planted when pushing the car. This interior reminded you that the car was built for driving, not showing off. It had that old-school American vibe where everything felt mechanical and real. The 1972 Nova also holds a special place in American car culture. It was affordable compared to bigger muscle cars like the Chevy or Camaro, which made it popular with young buyers. Many people bought Novas as their first muscle car, modified them in their garages, and built lifelong memories. That emotional connection is a big reason why the Nova is still loved today. From movies to street racing stories, the Chevrolet Nova became a symbol of quiet power. It didn't scream for attention, but those who knew cars respected it deeply. The sleeper look of the Nova made it dangerous on the road because people often underestimated it. Line it up at a stoplight, and the Nova could easily surprise much bigger and more expensive cars. Today, finding a clean 1972 Chevrolet Nova is not easy. Values are rising, especially for original or well-restored models. In the United States, the Nova is considered a true classic, and collectors appreciate its simplicity, performance potential, and historical importance. Whether stock or modified, the Nova always turns heads among real car enthusiasts. What makes the 1972 Nova truly special is its soul. This car represents an era when driving was more about feel than technology. No driving assists, no screens, just you, the engine, and the road. That's something modern cars can't fully replace. If you are a classic car lover, the 1972 Chevrolet Nova deserves your respect. It may not be the loudest or the most famous muscle car, but it is one of the most honest and enjoyable. This car proves that true greatness doesn't need too much decoration, just the right balance of power, design, and character. If you enjoyed this appreciation of the 1972 Chevrolet Nova, make sure to like the video, share it with fellow car lovers, and subscribe to CarOg 765 for more classic car stories, rare models, and real automotive passion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another legendary ride.